My name is Sergeant J.J. King with the Raleigh Police Motorcycle Unit. What we got going on here is our first annual Raleigh Police Motorcycle Skills Competition. What this course is designed for is police officers around the state to come in and sharpen their skills. It's actually a training event, so we're running this in partnership with North Carolina Governor's Highway Safety and Wake Technical Community College so we can get continuing education credits. And the training is actually involves several multi-skills courses that we actually train with on a regular basis. So we are training, but I've thrown in the added twist this time with this competition is the competition aspect. Police officers tend to be very competitive, want to be first on several events. So my thought was, what a great way to incorporate training and also bring that drive of competition into the training. And the guys have really been setting the bar high for each other.
The competition is the first time that we've ever hosted an event like this. It's actually the first time that we've participated in an event like this, and it's by far the best thing that we've done in the 13 years that I've been on the motorcycle.
Primary responsibility is traffic enforcement, so we will go into problem areas, hot zone areas where we're having issues with traffic complaints, and we'll target enforcement in those areas to try and drive down collision rates is what our main objective is. Okay. And then we're also sworn police officers, so we'll also supplement the patrol guys out on the road and help out with answering calls if we're in the area and so forth. So we're kind of a multi-skills type unit.